Hey everybody, I am back. It is Kevin Lemna. And you know what time it is? We got a new tool to unbox. You already know I love to mow my grass. And more so, as someone who mows their grass, I like to push mow it. Yes, Jasmine wants to come outside. She wants to run around and be crazy. But you know I gotta work. I'm about to mow the grass. I'm about to unbox this, so check it out. Coming live to you. Let me see if I can find something to cut this open with. We got the Craftsman. Yes, this is a drywall knife. Well, not a knife, but I can't remember what they call these things. But you already know you use this when you're cutting into drywall. So we're gonna open this box. Get this thing out of here. All right. Let me see what we got. Ooh. Give me a second, guys. All right, take that out.